Good afternoon and welcome to a special edition of Data Center News Asia. I'm joined today by two very special guests, Nomulun, Paulina. Welcome. Thank you for joining us on Data Center News Asia today. We're filming on location in Tokyo at the Digital Garden event. So, Nomulun, Paulina, why are you here at the event today?
I moved to Tokyo about a year and a half ago to build data centers in Japan. And I think this event, in this industry specifically, brings together a lot of different people from different backgrounds, different industries. You have my firm, his APL Group's a real estate private equity firm. You have people coming from the tech side, engineering side, a lot of brokers. And so I think having a space where all these stakeholders and different people working in the different aspects of the data center industry together in one spot to talk, share ideas, and talk about problems and how to solve the problems is pretty impactful in that. So really excited to see everyone here.
And Nomulun, what's in it for you?
So as Paulina mentioned, there are a lot of different problems and there are a lot of solutions for us to discuss. And one of them is definitely diversity in data center. So I'm here as a representing women in data center, both of us. So we actually have a very exciting thing and we're organizing our very first event in Japan tomorrow. And at the moment, seems like we'll have a lot of attendees, 120 people. So very much excited about it.
And Nam, before we kind of dive into the Women in Data Centers event tomorrow, like Women in Data Centers is relatively new, 18 months, 2 years old at this stage. And like I know you've been pretty successful and held a number of different events in Singapore. Tell us, like maybe rewind a bit, like why did you set up Women in Data Centers? Like what's the aim, objective of it, and like why are you hosting these events?
Absolutely, that's a great question. So, Women in Data Center started very much because of I wanted to be a part of a community, and I started exploring: is there any communities focused on women in data center, building the connections and seeking advices, and I couldn't find anything. So hence I started. Let's do one event, and that really much led into having 4 events in Singapore. Now we're doing in Japan, and this year we will be also doing in Hong Kong, Malaysia, and Singapore again. So it seems like things are picking up, keeping us very busy.
Great. And you kind of touched on it a second ago, but you've got the event here tomorrow. I think you mentioned 120 people. Like, what's the makeup of those people, and what's everyone hoping to get out of it as a group?
Absolutely. So the event will be currently sponsored by A-Trunk. So thank you so much to A-Trunk. So 120 people coming from very diverse background, data center operators, real estate companies, general contractors, banks, private equities. So I think, and we're also inviting male allies so that we can tackle the conversation from both perspective. And I have invited very senior people from the industry as well so that there is an opportunity for seeking mentorship as well. So it will be very casual, very interactive session. So we're very much excited about it.
Great, Paulina, and I presume this is your first Woman in Data Center event.
It is.
Yeah. What are you hoping to get out of it as your first time as an attendee?
Definitely. I think I'm really looking forward to meeting a lot of the women in the industry. I think if we look around here, it's still a very male-dominant industry, similar to finance and tech. But beyond just meeting the people, I mean, this is the first sort of meeting of hopefully building more events, more community. Networking it's about making friends in the beginning and exchanging ideas, but hopefully eventually we can also provide more opportunities for women, teach each other how to leverage the network and really, grow together in the industry as the industry grows as well. So really looking forward to it.
Great. And I think Nomulun, when yourself and Haley kind of mentioned the event up to me in Tokyo a couple of weeks ago, I was a bit dubious because I was kind of racking my brain. I was like, wow, I really can't name too many people who are present in the industry up here. So the fact that you've got so many attendees, I think, is great testament to all the amazing work you've done. And any other exciting plans for the kind of the Women in Data Center organization or brand, or like what's planned for the rest of the year?
So yeah, we're trying to bring a lot more structure, and we have a lot of people joining our community, such as Paulina here as well. So we're getting a lot of positive response from the community itself. So thanks to those community, we are hoping to organize a lot more events as well as workshops and maybe learning opportunities, mentorship programs. So stay tuned.
Great. Well, thank you both, and thank you again to the Digital Garden team for putting on the event today. It's only just started, but it's looking like a great crowd, and you can see quite a line of people walking in and out. So I think the sessions are going to be busy and pretty insightful the next couple of days. And AirTrunk is the primary sponsor for the Women in Data Centers. Yep. Thank you, AirTrunk, for that. Thanks everyone for watching, and
Thank you to Data Center News Asia.
Thank you, Data Center News Asia.
thanks everyone. Bye.